welcome back to my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today I'm gonna tell you all how about I store my seeds. So because of the pandemic, I'm gonna store some pumpkin seeds. So keep on watching the video, guys. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more videos. So just a lot of guys don't know this is some callaloo seeds. Callaloo seeds. Yeah, callaloo. So I'll be saving my callaloo seed in case can't get no callaloo seed. The pandemic, so I'm gonna put in some farming. Yeah man. And also, so this is my pumpkin. So right here, a lot of persons call this one the curry pumpkin. Yeah, I call this one the curry pumpkin because you have a nice color like the curry. So I call this one the curry pumpkin. And this one, I call it the crocodile pumpkin. If you can look on the skin and you can look at a crocodile, it stays just like a crocodile, okay? So I call this one the crocodile pumpkin. Oh, look at this one, my people. This one weighing about 35 pounds from Fire Reid farm. Very heavy. Wow. So, first, you only need a knife. You only need a box. So I'm gonna show you how I cut my seed and store them. So I have about 3 different type of pumpkins. So I'm gonna store them and leave them so they can stay and dry for a few days. Then I put them in the fridge. But I said, if you want some many different types of pumpkins, you have to plant it green to get a lot of variety of pumpkins. So when you plant the pumpkin green, just cut it and plant it. You get many different types of pumpkin. But I will store my pumpkin seeds dry. So I'm making my cut. So as you can see, this is where the seed. So I'm gonna remove some of the seed and put it in my box. Very easy. So a lot of persons them go market and then buy them pumpkin and cut it and make the seed waste. You just need to store the seed because during this pandemic, no one knows what's gonna take place. So we need to store our seeds. So I'm gonna remove them and put it in the box. Just some simple steps. So remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So I always have my bucket of water to keep my hand clean. So one pumpkin can give you a lot of pumpkins. So I want 3 different types of pumpkins. So I'll be cutting 3 pumpkins. And you know pumpkin have a lot of health benefit. It's good for the eye and it's also good for the digestive system and also cancer. Yeah, you know the pumpkin soup and the pumpkin punch. Yeah man, so you need to try the pumpkin punch, you know. As you can see, so all of the seeds are removed. So I'm gonna cut a different type of pumpkin. So keep on watching. So this one is my favorite because as you can see, you have some pegs, like you know a tangerine. So you have some pegs. I like planting this type of pumpkin. So I'm gonna cut this one. So I'm gonna cut it and give my hand the amount of space so it can enter into the pumpkin so I can remove all the seeds. Yeah, you can hear the sound. This one is very full, very fit. Wow, look at this. Good for pumpkin soup. Look at the color, very rich. The reason why this is my favorite pumpkin because as you can see, it's a lot of flesh. It's very fleshy. Very fleshy, as you can see, a lot of flesh. So I'm gonna put my hand in and remove all those seeds. Look at the richness. So pumpkin is my main crop. Very easy to grow. Less time. Less chemical. So pumpkin don't need much attention. And pumpkin take about 3 months for harvesting in Jamaica. So this is it. So I finished removing all the seeds. So remember, keep on watching. So and I use 3 different types of pumpkin. So this one don't really sound like it fully fit. By the sound of it, it sounds kind of hollow. So I call this one the crocodile pumpkin as the skin. I call this one the crocodile pumpkin. And also you can check the pumpkin, the fitness, by the stem, and always have a color underneath. So always look for this color underneath. Okay? So you have to make sure your knife very sharp enough, people. Okay, as you can see, this one, it don't have the color like the next set, but still I'll be still storing these seeds because I want this type of pumpkin. And these 3 pumpkins can plant about acres of land. So farming is very easy. Just take some time, dig up the backyard and farm something. So it's not very hard to save pumpkin seed, very easy. And when you put them to dry for about few days, you put them in a Ziploc bag and store them in the fridge, in the cooler, that can store for a long period of time. Very, very long period. So a lot of persons have seed around, just store them in your cooler and it can stay there for years and still grow. So I always leave few of my green pumpkins because when I plant it green, as I told you before, you get a lot of different types of pumpkin. So just like that. So yes guys, so this is where I have some, I removed these from a pumpkin already. So this partially dry. So I'm gonna leave it for a few more days so I can put it in the storage area, which I store my pumpkin in the cooler, can stay for years before planting. So if you like this video, you can always remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel.